So let's go down to Oslob for a day and look around, go up to Tumaluk Falls, have a nice sunset at the beach. See you there. All right, just got off the bus and I'm going to my place and let's go. So this is Safari Resort. You just gotta go a little ways down to check in, guys. Nice little view though. Here we go. Now for a room tour, now that we have registered here. All right, nice little room. You got a little fridge there, a little TV, air conditioning, free water. Let's see here. Bathroom, hot water. So all in all, it's not too bad. This room costs $36 with taxes and everything. So, a nice little place near the beach or on the beach. A little walk down from the top of the cliff down to here to the room. But hey, it looks pretty nice. Let's go enjoy it. Nice little swimming pools. Cheers.